trying to fit a new gear knob and gaiter on your Volkswagen Passat, most likely you bought a Chinese one because you didn't buy the original. That's why you're watching the video. That's the original. And it does not fit properly here. Here it sits a little bit proud. Here. It's a rubbish product, but we can fix it. And I'll show you now how. So let's grab this one, and you can see on the bottom there is little tabs. Can you see them? So what we are going to do, we just release the plastic from the tabs. Yeah. Maybe with a little knife will be easier, or with a prying tool or something. Anything? It's such a stupid knife. Okay. Is it glued in place? Maybe it is, yeah. Is it going up or is it going down? It's going up. Okay. It's not glued. It's so dirty. Yeah, it's just very nasty. Okay. So this one sits like this. Is it the same on both sides? No. No, it's not the same. This is the front with the small opening without the little prongs, yeah? And then let's see this one then. Well, it's a good copy because they're using the same design. And they did not use glue. That's okay. So now, I want to paint this one matte black so much. Anyway, let's see. What is the difference? I don't know. Somewhere there is a... You can't even see it. Anyway. This one is the second hand one, yeah. Let's see, would it fit like this? Into here. Yeah. Good. And now add this one into here. And now we'll see if it fits okay. Oh no, fits a lot better. It's not brilliant though, but it's a lot better. Can you see? No gap. No gap. Here it sits okay. Is it okay? I think it's sitting a little bit lower. Yeah, but it's definitely better now. Now the best thing will be to remove the whole this part, yeah, to remove this part, to take the plastic, put the plastic onto this one, yeah, and then yeah, it's just not clipping into place, is it? Oh, it's clipped on one side. So piece of paper maybe would help. I don't know. Let me just make sure that this thing is squeezed into place. The little, yeah, bracket. I actually decided to take it out one more time, and I noticed something. They did not have a machine, or at least they didn't want to have a machine that. Can you see how much stiffer this one is? So this one is not stamped or whatever, yeah, onto the plastic. It's actually hot glued, yeah. So we can take it out from the hot glue, yeah, and we can just hot glue it to this one, I think. Yeah, let me do that quickly. Okay, so good. Now we remove all the little parts. That's the round thread. At least that I can remove, because some of them are very hardly stuck. I want to drink coffee so much. This one I can't remove. Or even if I can, I'm a bit afraid that they'll break it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, if they know that, yeah, anyway, I'll go get you with me, and I'll go and get these removed from here. Maybe it will need a little bit more time and force. Okay, so you can see here, take the staples out, and I'll just pull them out finally now. Okay, so they're not going to get me to work in China, because my hot glue expertise are very low. Okay. It's going from this side, huh? Or was it going from this side? Oh no, it's going from the top down. Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah. Okay. Should leave it. If you get to here, just leave it. Just swap the plastics and don't bother anymore. Because now it doesn't want to fit. It's too thick. Oh, I'm so pissed off now. Anyway, so back to the Chinese one. Okay, so not happy, but no other option now. Okay, good. Let's put it into the position we want, and let's make it tight now. Good. It's not that bad. This one is very loose here onto the front. Oh, no, it grabs. Yeah, but it pops out of here. No, that's stable now. Good. It's okay. Maybe buy original, huh? Okay, let's get rid of the stupidity. That's it.